Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Marchetti Tarot. Hopefully I'm saying this correctly. This is by Ciro Marchetti and written by Lee Bursten. This is published by US Game Systems. Thank you so much to US Games for sending this my way. I am very excited. This looks so fun and vibrant. This retails for $23.95 in the US, and of course everywhere down in the description box I will link where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. All right, let's get into it. A tarot deck is a rich tapestry of mythology, history, and art, well suited for questions that have some psychological depth to them. Marchetti Tarot imagines the 78 cards as a collective theatrical ensemble, with each interaction offering an infinite number of possible plot twists. Each, quote, performance, unquote, is unique and personalized as the cards explore the full range of human emotions. In many of the dazzling cards, Ciro has focused on the faces, encouraging an interactive relationship that allows the reader to get to know the characters and their stories more intimately. By inviting us to explore who they are and what they express, we can ask meaningful questions and divine answers that will illuminate our own experiences. Includes a 116-page illustrated guidebook in which Lee Bursten explores different approaches to tarot reading and offers card spreads with instructions and sample readings. All right, this is exciting. We've got a ribbon. There's the guidebook. Oh, fun. Bottom of the box. There's the back of the deck. Let's take a peek at the guidebook first to see if there's anything pertinent we need to know. We have the structure of the tarot deck, how to read the tarot, and then it goes into the meanings. And we have sample spreads, and we have the prediction spread and the stare spread in the back. All right, it doesn't look like there's any particular way we need to utilize it. Okay. Lots of great information in the beginning there on help for reading it. And then I wanted to take a peek in the back. We have the spreads and sample readings here. The prediction spread. And let's see, the stare spread. So if you need help with those, there's some samples in the back to help guide you through that. All right, I'm going to unwrap this and I'll be right back. Okay, here's the back. We've got a gloss on it. Fun. And yes, nice. US Game System cardstock. I love it. It's not too thick, not too thin, and it snaps back. I have a feeling it's going to shuffle really nicely. Here we go. Number up top, it looks like. Title at the bottom. We've got some fun, like a vignette border with the black here. Love all of the symbols here. Ooh. Very dynamic. Stunning. Vibrant. Lots of action, lots of movement. Ooh. I'm liking it so far. It's very fun. And not like a ha-ha fun, but like it's very interesting to look at all of the different little pieces of the puzzle here in each of the cards. Hmm. Beautiful. Okay, now we're in the wands. Oh my gosh, I love that. The artwork is just beautiful. Cups. So much to look at. I love it. Ooh. Oh, that's fun. Sweet. Swords. Okay. Ooh, those talons. And Pentacles. Oh my gosh, gorgeous. Oh, that is a fun way to do that card. This is a very creative deck. Very, I feel, beginner friendly with how the images are really incorporating the symbols and the energy of the each card. Really well done. All right, let's see how they shuffle. Oh, yeah. They do snap back. All right, overhand. Yes, I like it. Okay, can I get a card to read, please? Okay, we're reading for the Seven of Cups. Fun. All right. Too many choices. How many times do we find ourselves with multiple options and not enough information to choose between them? The images in the goblets are compelling, but also disturbing. They seem to be trying to tell us something, but we can't quite make it out. The contents of the 7 goblets could be different goals, or they could be different approaches to reading a single outcome. The card might be telling you that you're daydreaming too much without taking any action. Perhaps the goblets and their contents are illusory, and you will regret following them. The best response to all of these possibilities is to clear your head and decide where you want to go and how you will get there. All right. I do want to take a peek. There's a little bit more information in the major arcana, which that tracks. I think this is beautiful. I think that it's very well done as far as, giving us what we need in art for the energy of the card. Dynamic, vibrant, fun. I am seeing diversity. Would I love to see more of it? Absolutely. But I love what I am seeing in here as far as the face expressions, the wrinkles. I'm seeing just a bunch of different ages. Very well done. I'm not surprised because I knew it was going to be beautiful just by the packaging, but I'm surprised at how there's a lot of different kind of elements going on, but it doesn't feel overwhelming. Like there's a lot packed into one card, but it doesn't feel like I'm getting an onslaught of information that I can't make out. It feels very cohesive and very well done. So great quality, great little guidebook. If you need more information to help you, if this wasn't enough, I highly recommend a reference guidebook. I do have a video on my favorite ones if you want to check that out on my channel, but this is well done, enough information to get you by. And if you are, regardless of your level, loving this deck, I would love to know what you think down in the comment sections. And if this isn't for you, I would love to know why too. Thank you so much to US Games for sending this my way. I am excited to get to know it more on a personal level. And thank you all for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me, and it helps me out with the algorithm gods, so I do appreciate it. Thank you again. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.